I strongly recommend it. It's user-friendly. The support system is phenomenal. I can't say enough good things about it. It's easy to use, and as I say, the support system is just phenomenal. That's an exception in today's world, and it needs to be commended. We are a marine focused organization, predominantly air freight that we process inbound, but also sea freight, so seaway bills, provide those services to a multitude of clients. Well, the way we provided that service to our customers was by farming it out. So we hired a customs broker to provide that service. By having access to BorderConnect ourselves, then we are able to provide, it improves the efficiency of the process for us in servicing our customers, as well as the financial benefit, rather than essentially just being a middle person that receives the request and then sends it over to another customs broker to process. Because again, it's a time element. I mean, our customers are pressured in terms of time, and the efficiency that's provided by us, we can process it right then and there using BorderConnect, rather than sending off a request to a customs broker, or who knows when they're going to get to it. I mean, in some cases, 2-3 days could pass before we got the inbound back. So you can see the savings of time and improved service to our customer by providing it instantaneously almost.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, check out these videos here or subscribe below. If you're not already signed up to BorderConnect, you can sign up today for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.